Hey guys, once again welcome back to your big channel. In this video we will learn about how to identify formulas in your Excel. Example, if you're working in an Excel sheet and you need to identify in which column or which row there are formulas, so which you will not delete or input any data from. Okay, so how do you identify? There are three ways you can do it. Number one, first, in any column, okay, you can go and click. When you click on the column, it will appear here. So you can see in the formula bar, if there is a formula, it will appear in the formula bar. All right, so if no formula, it will appear as text. That is number one. Number two, you can press shortcut key from your keyboard. You can select the data and press Control and Tilde key. When you press Control and Tilde key, all the formulas will be open up itself. Okay, as you see, here are the formulas, here are some formulas also, there is formulas here. So to go back, you need to press again Control and Tilde key. Tilde key is the first key which is on top of tab. Okay, another way you can simply check, press Control G from your keyboard, Control plus G, and go to special function and select formulas. When you select formulas, you can click OK. Now it will highlight all the formulas whichever are there. See, all highlighted cells are the formulas. So that is it about this video. Hope you like the video. If you like it, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye bye.